Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cast to a TV from an Android device. Make sure your Chromecast is connected to the TV and that your phone is connected to the same internet network as your Chromecast. Once your Chromecast is set up, launch your Tubi app. Tap on the Chromecast icon on the top right-hand side of the Tubi app. Select the Chromecast device you want to connect to.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to add the Tubi app to your Samsung Smart TV. Click the Home button on the remote to go to Samsung Smart Hub. Select Apps in the left-hand section of the Smart Hub. In the top right corner, click on the magnifying glass icon to search. Type in Tubi. Select the Tubi app. Select Install if you haven't already. Select Add to Home.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sign in online. Open the Tubi app. Click on Sign in or Register. Select Sign in online. Now go to tubit.com/activate on a web browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, etc. Click on Sign in. Now, you can enter the activation code that appears on your Apple TV screen. Click on Submit and you'll be all set.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.